morning to everyone, respected father, sister, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Fanny Dodija from Standard 8B. Prayer. Prayer is a form of communication with God. Prayer is said by heart. We believe in the power of prayer. This is house of prayer. I request everyone to stand up and take the prayer position.
Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. So I turn towards you to follow you, my God. In simplicity, charity I follow. In simplicity, charity I follow. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. So I turn towards you to follow you, my God. Eternal God, Creator of all, I firmly believe that I am now in your presence. I adore your divine majesty and I ask of you to enlighten my mind that I may know you more clearly and to my heart that I may love you above all things and my fellow beings. Help me to be a torchbearer of your wisdom. Will be the light of the world, dispelling darkness around, like a star in the sky, guiding everyone in love, reforming our minds, reforming our hearts, imparting knowledge and wisdom. Hail, O hail, Saint Mary's School, or a true heaven of love and nature, for this is where we belong. Hail, O hail, Saint Mary's School, our guiding light in every sense, we stands for your name. Fill us, Lord, with the joy and praises. Turn us into your angels. Be with us in all your strivings, guiding everyone in love. Together we pray, together we learn, to be the light of knowledge and wisdom. Hail, O hail, Saint Mary's School, a true heaven of love and nature, for this is where we belong. Hail, O hail, Saint Mary's School, our guiding light in every sense, it stands for your name.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
I invite Karya Shreya to say thought of the day.
Good morning to respected father, sister, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Shreya Karya from Standard 8B. Standing here to say the thought of the day. Always end the day with a positive thought. No matter how hard things, we have tomorrow's fresh opportunity. to make it better. Daily thought. I repeat, always end the day with a positive thought. No matter how hard things were, tomorrow's fresh opportunity to make it better. Daily thought. Now I will explain meaning and explanation. It is common to have good time and bad time in our life. It is common. We have many other times. We have good time also and bad time also. But this thought meaning is in good time and bad time we should never give up. So it is common to have good time and bad time in the life. So thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Karya, for saying thought of the day. Wishing you a very good day.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे